Hello and good evening, everyone. I've received a couple emails regarding problem 5-13 and the calculation of multiple internal rate of returns. I know I mentioned in class that this would not be part of an examination, but I overlooked this problem in assigning the homework, and therefore I thought I would take this opportunity to provide a Excel file that would help explain how I arrived at the two internal rate of returns for this problem. Problem 1513 has a petroleum company that is trying to evaluate a general project with the following cash flows for 0 through 2. You can see that we start out with a outflow, then a positive inflow in year 1, followed by another negative outflow. As explained in class, this situation will result in multiple internal rate of returns. Therefore, what I've done in order for us to calculate this is I created a spreadsheet with the information that is displayed in the problem. So let me go ahead and go to the Excel file. Notice I created the cash flows in column A. I then put in column C the rate of return, and I use multiple rates of return ranging from a negative 80 all the way up to a positive 60. From there, I calculated the net present value based on that that rate of return. You can see that the net present value ranges from a negative at minus 80 and goes all the way to from positive to eventually a negative issue amount by roughly 42%. The reason I'm using net present value here calculation, remember that internal rate of return is the percentage that will create a zero net present value. So you can see somewhere between minus 79 and 80%, we have the net present value going from a positive number to a negative number. Same thing with the positive numbers here, from 41% to 42%. And so we know there's two internal rate of returns, which makes sense because we have a change in the flows. In assistance, I've created a graph that helps us see this visually. So I'm hoping that this file will assist you, and I have uploaded it into Canvas. So please feel free to download it, modify it to your situation, and plug in the results into your McGraw-Hill Connect homework. Thank you, and have a good evening.